Zoos are all about showcasing, new animals, right? And keeping them healthy for display, right? Giving them an environment and setting up healthy barriers. Parameters are interesting, And then you go into Pink Floyd, right? Another brick in the wall in psychology is defined as a brick, right? That brick is made up of a chemical structure, right? That chemical structure is like a thought process in the brain, right? And so you're defined as a brick, another brick in the wall. When you meet somebody, the first thing you do is tell them your name, defined as a brick in the wall. When you meet somebody, the first thing you do is tell them, defined as a brick in the wall. When you make a phone call, you're defined as a brick in the wall. In Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, it talks about the walk in the park and how they valued that time together. I believe that the performance is not capable without relationship and instruction, right? A student and a teacher, squire to a king and all that, father and son. As far as I know, every animal except bacteria itself protects its young, Top predators give birth and they protect their young, Maybe not all. Maybe there's a shark out there that gives birth in water and that's it, The shark is just on its own from there. But it knows it's a shark, right? It knows it's a shark and what it has to do. There was an algorithm I was thinking about regarding animal cells and human cells and how the growth rate is very different. Even AI has its limitations, AI itself is only as capable as what it's able to have, input into the system. But sharks are born knowing they're sharks. Sharks are born knowing they're sharks and what they have to do to survive. What other species on this planet does that?